welcome to Bisaya Tagalog English Translation for Beginners. First, Bisaya, Tagalog, and English. Okay, first word, humok. Humok, malambot, soft. Panghinahanglan, gusto, want. Sinaw, makintab, shiny. Sulay, subok, try. Tiyan, tiyan. Tiyan, stomach. Pagsukol, paglaban, resist. Moabot, dumating, arrive. Daghan, marami, many. Muingon, salita, say. Nahibalo, alam, know. Huna-huna, isip, mind. Gibati, pakiramdam, feel. Pagsulti, pagsasalita, talk. Panglawas, kalusugan, health. And our next batch, Bisaya, Tagalog, and English. Let's start sa Bisaya. Siplat, sulyap, glance. Tanaw, tingin, look. Maldito, malikot, naughty. Pagawas, labasan, exit. Dool, malapit, near. Yano or sayon, madali, simple. Paghatag, magbigay, give. Bisaya again, siplat, tanaw, maldito, pagawas, dool, yano or sayon, paghatag. So, next ang ating last batch. Bisaya, Tagalog, and English. Bisaya, gahi, matigas, tough. Manununod, tagapagmana, air. Kalinaw, kapayapaan, peace. Kaputol, piraso, peace. Makadungog, marinig, here. Dinhi, dito, here. So that's all for our video. See you again sa next vlog.